guys, hi everybody. In today's video, I am doing my Nykaa sale haul. This was the hot pink sale and I went crazy with it. I'm going to show you how much stuff I have with me. These are all boxes full of products. Okay, I admit I went crazy with the sale. I'm very excited to show you guys what all I ordered from Nykaa. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I ordered, this is the Fit Me foundation. I've heard a lot about Maybelline Fit Me. I was earlier using L'Oreal Infallible foundation, but now I thought of switching it. But the best part about this foundation is that this is in matte finish. This is the first time that I'm wearing this foundation over here on camera, and so far I'm kind of liking it. The texture is quite smooth, it glides really nicely, it blends really beautifully, and also I should mention this that this is not light coverage, it is medium to high coverage, so that is also a plus. A lot of shade options to choose from. Luckily I ordered it the first time online. You know, when you're not in the store, it is difficult to choose the shade of your foundation, but this one I'm using is 120 Classic Ivory. So if you are my skin tone, you can go for 120 Classic Ivory. This is exactly my skin tone, exactly. I am somebody who always raves about how our foundation shade should be exactly to our skin tone. The next one, I got the Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium. And I really like it. I mean, I've used the concealer. It is not as good as, to be very honest, the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Like, this one completely erases your dark circles, but I don't have a lot of problem with dark circles, so a light coverage concealer like this one, Maybelline Fit Me one, can also, you know, suit me. I think it's a pretty average, like a daily wear kind of a concealer, very lightweight, it doesn't feel like you've put anything. Alright, moving ahead, third purchase is this one. So this is the Nykaa Get Inked eyeliner. This is how the tip of the eyeliner is. This is quite precise and I loved it the first time I used it. It slides really nicely, the application is amazing. A couple of pen eyeliners I used before, and like if I keep this open for about 2 minutes, this really, you know, dries up. That was not the case with this one, which I really like, because, you know, sometimes you can just sometimes it takes time for you to apply, so it shouldn't dry up. So talking about eyeliners, I was meaning to try colorful eyeliners since a long time. Like, you know, my love for colors is insane. I like colors in everything, so I wanted to try the eyeliners that are colorful these days. So just to try out, I got a blue eyeliner, but this is the one, the classic, the old eyeliner that we all used to use, the Lakme Insta Liner. This is a water resistant liner, but I got this one in blue color because I wanted to try out different colors, but this is like a really electric blue. I mean, this is going to be an experiment. I hope that this turns out good. I have seen people using this one and this is really affordable, so I'm gonna try blue eyeliner looks. You guys get excited. Oh, also I got another color, I mean not color, but I got this white kajal, which is by Wet n Wild. I got a couple of questions how to make your eyes look bigger in one of the question tabs I did on my story. So this is a very beautiful hack if you want to make your eye look bigger and fuller, and, you know, if you want to look wide awake. White kajal really does that thing. Search some looks for white eyeliner, for blue eyeliner and, you know, play around these stuff that I got. Moving ahead to what I ordered next. The next thing that I ordered is so important, you guys. I have discovered this now, that how important this is. After, you know, I used to think that why my makeup melts off really quickly, why my makeup you know, doesn't give that complete finish, and now I have the solution for you guys. If you feel that your makeup doesn't look as good, this is what you're missing. This is a loose powder, you guys, the very famous Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade 15, in the shade light. Anybody of you guys who do makeup, who loves makeup, loose powder is the thing. Quite large, quite sturdy, achhi quantity, a lot of powder there is. Girls, this is so important. Oops. Oh my god. The powder is all over, you guys. look. So today I kinda am liking my makeup because I've used all these products that I'm talking about. All the products that you see are right now at my face, so you can judge. If you think that this doesn't look really good, you can. Moving ahead, I got a very interesting product again from Maybelline. What is happening? This is what I got. This is the Maybelline Duo Stick. This is how it looks like. The interesting thing is, like, I really like products where it is very convenient and easy to use. Like for this product, this is a two-in-one kind of a product. And I love using such products. Like, I don't like to carry like 100 different boxes of 100 different palettes. Like, if there is one thing that solves a lot of my purposes, that is great. In this side, you have your contour thing, and over here there's a highlighter. So this is your highlighter. Draw your contour lines wherever you do, and at the same time draw your highlighter things wherever you do, and just blend it out. You're done. Like, your 2 steps are done with this one single product. 2 important steps rather are done in this one product. I am yet to use this. Today I used my older contour stick that I use. This one's from K Beauty, but I will now try this one, the Maybelline Duo Stick, and I think this is going to make me happy. There's one more product from Maybelline, and then we can take Maybelline out of our way. This is the very famous Maybelline Master Chrome. Look at this beauty. Look at this highlighter. This is how the packaging from the outside looks like. Sorry for this powder. I just spilled my powder everywhere. I'm using this highlighter right now, so if you guys can see a little bit of sheen, it is because of this highlighter. This is for sure a blinding highlighter if applied properly and blended properly. I just used a little bit here, and I think I can see the shine that it is giving me. The pigment and the look and everything is beautiful. Alright guys, now Maybelline is out of our way. Now I'm going to show you guys 2 of the skincare products that I got, and 2 of these skincare products are the products that I swear by. The first one being L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. This is what I ordered. I once before used their sample size little pouch mask, and I fell in love. I then ordered the full bottle, the full size bottle, which is this one. If there is any mask that I want to recommend to you guys that really makes it for me, like a mask that you don't have to think about, there's no doubt about how this feels on your skin, it doesn't give you any burns or any itches or any rashes or redness of anything of that sort. It is so good, you guys. I can't stop. I have less words to describe what good product this is. If you are looking for a nice mask that will work on your skin, especially oily skin, like this is a clay mask, and clay masks work amazing for oily skin. So try this out, and you will love it, and you will thank me later. Anyway, moving ahead to another skincare product that I ordered. This is by M Caffeine. I got their products long time back in a PR, and I used them and I loved it, and I wanted to go ahead and order this one. I ordered this coffee face serum for my skincare. I'm going to show you guys how the bottle looks like. I'm in love with the packaging. The bottle is so sturdy. This is how the bottle of the serum looks like. With the price that they are selling this, I think the quantity that they're giving of the serum is quite good. Like, look at this. This smells coffee. Imagine you are bathing in coffee. Imagine you have coffee like all over your, oh my god, the coffee lovers, what are you waiting for? You have to get M Caffeine products. All of their products are, coffee based, and this face serum I'm very excited to try. I haven't tried this one, just opened the package. The next thing that I want to talk about is the NYX Professional Makeup Fixing Spray. This is a spray that is so raved about. This is probably the best makeup fixing spray available in the market. This one is the matte finish one. There is another one which is a dewy finish one. Last 3 products. The first one being the Tresemme Heat Protectant Spray that I ordered from Nykaa, and I've talked about it in my hair care routine, which is the most requested video of all times. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. This is a heat protectant spray that I'm using. It smells beautiful. This has marula oil in it. If you are somebody who uses heat, style your hair with your curlers and straighteners, or even blow drying your hair, please, it's a request, please use a heat protectant spray before you put any kind of a heat. There's a cheaper option available under BBlunt, I guess, so you can check the website out. I'm gonna put the link down below. Alright guys, the last two products of the haul, two brushes I got from Nykaa. This is a fan brush which is used to put your highlighter. Now highlighter is something which, if not blended well, really looks bad, because then there's just like a line of a product which is blinding. I mean, it doesn't look, the idea of a highlighter not blended properly is something that I don't like. The highlighter should blend into your skin, that it should not look like you've used highlighter, for which I think using a highlighter brush is very important. So I got this one from Nykaa. First of all, the packaging of the brush is amazing. It comes in this pouch, so I can, you know, keep it back in the pouch. I love the golden and the black on the brush. Quite nice, soft use. Another brush that I got is for my eyes, a simple round eyeshadow blending brush. So there are two kinds of brushes, as far as I know, as far as the makeup knowledge I have. There are two kinds of brushes which you should use to blend your eyes. One is a flat brush and one is a round blending brush. So I have a flat brush, I guess, so I needed a round blending brush. I have used one of the colors on the brush, which is why you can see the pink. So I want to share my a little bit of eye makeup knowledge that I have. There are two kind of motions to use your eyeshadow in. One is this seesaw kind of a motion, which goes like this, and one is the round kind of a motion where you were making the round, you know. I mean, I don't know, all the muas who are here on my profile, please let me know if I'm wrong and correct me, please. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this Nykaa eyeshadow blending brush more on my eyes. Oh, I forgot one product. Alright, so one product that I forgot to show you is this. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Now I wanted a palette which is not a nude palette, because I already have one nude palette which has all these beautiful shades. I got it from H&M in Dubai. It is not available in India, but I love the pigment and I love everything about the palette. So I wanted a palette which has more colors so that I can play more with the colors. So and I also wanted something which is you know, kind of pocket friendly. I didn't want to burn a hole to buy an eyeshadow palette, because I'm anyway not very well versed with the skill of eye makeup. So this is the palette that I got. This is the Makeup Revolution palette. The name of this palette is Forever Flawless Constellation, I think. So the color names are Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Venus, Neptune, Cosmic, and all of these beautiful shades. This is, look what the pigmentation of the colors look like. These are not very day colors. I think these are very appropriate for night. I'm going to use it anyway since I've now ordered it. The packaging looked really cute to me, all the galaxy and the constellation thing over here, so I ordered it. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description. That is it, you guys. I made the use of the hot pink sale. So I hope that you too did. If not, these products are still available in Nykaa, so you can go ahead and get them. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you next time very soon. Take care. Bye.